So I'm taking off these panels on this 2006 bmw530i. Real simple, guys. These little snaps, they just snap out. So I already took it off. Anyways, take that out. Next, you got these. These also come out. You just pull a screwdriver, pop it out, get your needle nose, and pull it out. They have this little latch. Snap it out. Torx wrench. Torx 40. Perfect. Oh, this is tight. I'm just trying to get to the battery cable. Gosh. Get this out of the way. It has like a little tongue and groove. Just whatever. I don't want to take it out. I just want to. Oh, it'll come out. Then your panel should come out. As you can see. Well, maybe not. But anyways, I just need to get to here. See that? And this controls the latch, the hood latch. You can see it powers up. I'm gonna fix it. Alright. Well, good luck on yours. Bye.